Welcome to Nomis Academy. We have in my previous video we have solved some wire question, and we will continue from where we stopped. And this is another wire question, and I advise you to focus and don't let anything to disturb you. The question is very simple, as you can see, if you know what to do. The first thing that will come to your mind as a mathematician is to convert this one to improper fraction and this one to improper fraction. If you can do that, then you now see how you can collect the like terms. How do you do a solution? 3 times 5 you have 15. 15 plus 3 you have 18 all over 5. Plus 1 times 5 you have 5. 5 plus 2 you have 7x. All over 5 is equal to 3 times 2 we have 6x plus 3 times 1 we have 3 all over 4 minus this 1 times x we have x over 2. Now the next thing is to collect the like terms. As you can see, the first fraction here doesn't have s, this one have s, and this one have s. You have to put the one that have s on one side. So the first one I have is 7x over 5. If you look at the back, it's plus, which means I can write it the way it is, which is 7x all over 5. I'm done with this, I'll reuse this. Then I'll go to the next one. This one will carry s, and this one can also carry s. This one now is what? Minus s over 2. Take it to this and have plus s all over 2. This is the next one. And if you look at it again, this is 6s plus 3 over 4, and it doesn't carry this, which is plus before. It was the plus before. Now I will take minus and take it to this side. 6s plus 3 all over 4. In this case, if that is 2 times, you have to put bracket. Is equal to, this is 18 over 5. Take it to the other side. We have minus 18 over 5. This is the first thing that will come to your mind as a mathematician. So now, the next thing is this. You have to actually find the LCM of 5, 2, and 4. And among these three numbers, you can see that one can divide another one without a remainder. 4 and 2. 4 divided by 2, no remainder. You pick the highest one. That is the first thing, which means 2 is gone. Now I will now compare 5 and 4 and find the LCM. The LCM of 5 and 4. Can 5 divide 4 without remainder? No. Which means the LCM 5 times 4, which is 20. And if you discover that, or you discover that 20 can be distributed by all these numbers without remainder, which means the LCM is 20. So the LCM is 20. 20 divided by 5 will have 4. 4 times 7 will have 28x plus 20 divided by 2 we have 10. 10 times s we have 10s. So minus 20 divided by 4 we have 5. Open bracket, whatever is here, 6s plus 2 is equal to minus 18 over 5. So the next step is this. 28 plus 10 we have 38x. Minus, have to open the bracket, minus 5 times we have 30x. Minus times plus, have to be careful, minus times plus we have minus. 5 times 2 we have 15 all over 20 is equal to minus 18 over 5. So the next thing is to subtract it, because this one has this also have distance. That's 8 minus 20, we have 8x minus 15 all over 20 is equal to minus 18 all over 5. So the next thing is to cross multiply. If you cross multiply, this one will multiply this, and this also can also multiply this. So we have 5, open bracket, 8x minus 15 is equal to minus 18 times 20. If you cross multiply, immediately you cross multiply. Always check whether there is number here that can be divisible by other number here. If you look at it, 5 divided by 5 we have 1. 20 divided by 5 we have 4. It has reduced the numbers you can multiply to make it very easy for you. So the next thing is that, let me clear the question so that I continue from here. And if I continue here from here, this is what I have left. 8x minus 15, because I already cancelled this 5, is equal to minus 18 times 4. So I'll click anyone. So the next thing is this. We have 8x minus 15 is equal to minus 18 times 4. Is 18 times 4. 8 times 4 is 32, right? To carry 3. This times it half of 4, we have 72. We have minus 72. So we have to collect the like terms. We have 8x is equal to minus 72 plus, because this one is crossing plus 15, we have 8x is equal to 72 minus 15. We borrow from here, we have 12. 12 minus 5, we have 7. Here is already was 6. 6 minus 1, we have 5 minus 57. So, divide both sides by what? 8 by 8. 8 times 8, we have s equals to minus. And you can actually express this one to the lowest term. And you have to find out how many 8 can we find in 57. We have 8 times 8 is 64. This can see it's not total 64, which means that 8 can actually go into 7 times, because 8 times 7 is 56, which means we end up 1 over 8 as the final answer. Let's go to the second question. The second question says that what? It's another y equation, number 2. We have 2x minus 1 all over 3 minus 3 minus x all over 2 is equal to s over 4. Like in my previous video, I saw something like this, and what I said is that when you have negative in the fraction, you have to try to in such a way that the negative you vanish to plus by taking it to the other side. And if you look at this question, this negative will actually affect us. We have a solution. We have 2x minus 1 all over 3. I'll take this one to the other side, which means I have a quantity sign. If you write the quantity sign, the number you see there, or fraction you see there, write it as s over 4. This is the one I want to take to the other side, which means plus 3 minus s over 2. And as you can see, we have fraction here. And in this case of 4 and 2, 4 can be divided by 2 without remainder, which means this term is what? 4. We have 2s minus 1 all over 3. So this term is what? 4. 4 divided by 4, we have 1 times s, we have s, plus 4 divided by 4, we have 2. We use 2 to open bracket, 2 open bracket, 3 minus s. So the next term is this. We have 2x minus 1 all over 3 is equals to x plus 2 times 3, we have 6. Plus times minus, be careful. Plus times minus, we have minus 2 times s, we have 2x all over 4. So we now have 2x minus 1 all over 3 is equal to s minus 2s. The quotient of this s is 1. Is 1 minus 2. Is it any way? There's no any way you can subtract 2 from 1. Therefore, you have to borrow 1 to add to this to make it 2. Which is, but if you have 2 minus 1 is 1. Since I will interchange 1 minus 2, the answer is minus 1, which means it's minus x now, plus 6 all over 4. You have to cross multiply. 4 multiplied by have 4, open bracket 2s minus 1 is equals to 3, open bracket minus s plus 6. So the next step is to open the bracket. 4 times 2, we have 8x minus 4 times 1, we have 4. So 3 times minus, we have minus 3x plus 3 times 6, we have 18. So let me use the remaining space for the remaining one. So we have 8x. If you collect the like term, we have 8x already. 8x. This minus 3x to this, we have plus 3 is equals to, I've used this, what is remaining is what? 14. This is minus 14 to the other side, we have plus 4. 8 plus 3, you have 11 s is equals to 22. 11 plus 7, 11 comes to 11. S is equals to what? 22 divided by 11, we have 2 as the final answer. So the next question, the last question for this video, number 3, we have number 3, we have 2 over 5. 2 over 5, open bracket s plus 5 is equal to 1 over 4, open bracket 5s minus 3. And this is number 3. So, what are we going to do? This one is very, very easy. There's no calculation of right hand record. There's a quantity sign between the two fractions. All we need to do is to expand the bracket. Expand or clear the bracket, expand the bracket. So 2 times s, we have 2s, plus 2 times 5, we have 10, all over 5. Is equal to 1 times all the terms here, we have the same thing, 5s minus 3, all over 4. You have to cross multiply. If you cross multiply, 4 multiply, we have 4, open bracket, 2s plus 10, so equals to 5, open bracket, 5s minus 3. So 4 times 2, we have 8x, plus 4 times 10, we have 40, so equals 5 times 5, we have 25x, minus 5 times 2, we have 15. Now the next thing is this, you have to collect the items. Collect the items. So we have 8x here. The first number here is 8x. This is plus 25. To this, you have minus 25 equal to. I've used the what is meant minus 15. Minus 15. This is plus 40. To the other, you have minus 40. So here we have 8 minus 12, 25. If you have 25 minus 8, is it not 17? Then, or if you have 8 minus 25, is what? Minus 17. 8 minus 25 minus 17s. So equals to minus 15 minus 40. Simply you borrow 15 there, and now you also borrow 40. Then it's minus 65. Let me say by minus 17, minus 17. This cancel this. S equals to minus cancel minus, have 65 all over 17. And what do you do? For you to know how many times 17 goes to what? 65. We have 17 times 2, we have a 34. Then 17 times 3, let's have 17 times 3, 7 times 3, 21. Write 1, carry 2. So 3 times 1, we have 3, plus 2, have 5. That's 51. So 51 is not up to what? Up to 65. So if you add 17, can it be? We have 8. 68 is more than this, which means it goes into 3 times. It goes into 3 times, which means we have 3 whole number. And then if you multiply 17 times 3, 17 times 3 like 23, we have 51. How many? What is the remainder here? By we have to subtract 65 minus 51 is 14, which means we have 3 whole number 14 all over 17. Thank you.